Hi viewers, this is Phone Clinic and right here with you is Engineer Oti. This moment I'm going to show you how to hard reset itel S16. Now here is the model number. Here is the model number W6502. Now for you to hard reset your phone, it can be as a result of different reasons. Maybe for yours, it can be as a result of forgotten pattern you draw. It's not opening. Now, for you to do this, you power off your phone, power it off, power off the phone. Then when it is switched off like this, when you look at the side, you are going to see your power button down here. Here is a power button, and here is your volume down button and your volume up button. Now what you need to do is you put your finger on the volume down button like this, and then your power button like this. Now you press the both of them simultaneously. Keep holding it. Keep holding it. Continue holding until the itel logo will pop up. Now, after you hold it for a second, you leave the power button and then you continue holding the volume down button. Now, then this menu will pop up. Now you see all the options: reboot system, now reboot to bootloader, enter fast mode, and then you scroll down to wipe data, stroke factory reset. Now you use your power button to select the option to enter, and then to ask you factory data reset. Then you use your power button again to select. Then you wait. You can see it's erasing. You can see down here. You can see down here, data wipe complete. Now your phone has been reset. Now you can reboot your system and enjoy your phone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Phone Clinic for more details. Thank you.